Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and we're about to talk about Nextify.AI. Yo, this program is pretty wild. I'm about to show you this thing can do anything AI, like make AI videos, make AI avatars, and you can put actual products in the video, which is really insane. And it's like a UGC style kind of thing, and it has like B-rolls and different avatars that you can actually make. You can make an avatar from scratch and put them in the video. But I guess the first question is, what is UGC? Okay, so UGC is user generated content, which blows my mind. I thought it was something else. Kind of reminds me of the word Uggs, but anyway. Yeah, so it's pretty cool on how they do this. And you can do voiceovers too, but of course, we're going to test this out. And the cool thing is, for all the new users that sign up, you get 20 free credits after going to your first generated link. So that's definitely going to be awesome. So we're going to test some things out. Let's create a video ad first and let's go from there. Okay, so I just added the prompt here, of course, Aquatech Fantasy related. And then we're going to add, let's add an image. Okay, so I just added the 4 screen monitor or the 6 screen, 4 devices actual setup here picture. I was going to add a video, but sea dance. So I guess you can choose which one you want to do. I kind of want sea dance. Let's do this one here. This seems pretty cool. Wait, 2.5 is pretty new. This goes to 40 to 30 seconds. We're gonna do this one because why not? Oh, each one generates different credits as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna do the best one because we're the best. So we'll be back when this is done. So I had to redo the prompt and reset this up. So now we're going to try to generate again. All right, because the first one it said content may violate our usage policies. So we're gonna see if this one works instead. Okay, so it looks like it finally finished. Let's see what is going on with this. Dang, this is clean, and I think it comes with audio too, but I do not hear it. But this is actually really fire. Okay, this did what it's supposed to do. There's a lot of screens there though. I think I only said like 6, right? Or I forget what I put on that prompt. But this is definitely fire, nevertheless. And this is just a video ad. So imagine the possibilities with other things you can do. Okay, so we have avatars. Let's see what an avatar can do here. All right, let's do this guy. Talk about the products on the video. I'm gonna load a logo. All right, and generate. Okay, generate, and now we got 4 minutes. So I'm guessing, and there's some quick picks on here too. We're gonna quick pick Rachel here in a second, or Nora, or Frank, Douglas, or Sophie. This is some magic. All I gave it was a video, and
Introducing AquaTech
he
Fantasy. Introducing AquaTech Fantasy.
look at the image. It's moving.
Introducing
And
AquaTech
he's
Fantasy.
saying it so seamlessly. Avatar batch. Okay, you can create your own avatar too. Avatar library. This is insane. We already did a dude. We're gonna do a girl here. Let's just see. Confirm use. It is finished.
Hey everyone! Fantasy, where technology becomes easier, more useful, and a lot more fun.
That
Whether
is
you're looking for Windows tutorials,
crazy.
Android tips and tricks, gaming tech, emulation, software guides, or ways to get more out of your
So
devices,
you could
AquaTech
probably
Fantasy
add
is
in
all about
between
discovering what your
videos as
technology
well,
can
or
really
some
do.
type of different
Here,
images
you'll find
while
step-by-step
they're
tutorials,
talking.
hidden
So
features,
that's going to be
useful
really
apps,
cool to
troubleshooting guides,
promote a
and creative
product
ways to connect.
or anything like that. This is crazy.
Introducing AquaTech Fantasy.
Hey everyone! Welcome.
Yeah, Nextify.AI is super legendary for this. So I did another test video and look at this.
Introducing AquaTech Fantasy, where you can learn anything technology related, including tech tips, how to videos, and more.
I did a photo of me and it did a video with a prompt to do this. As scary as it is, don't look like me, but here we go. Anyway, so yeah, that is crazy. Okay, so that's super fire, super dope that you're able to put yourself as a actual avatar. So that's crazy. But yeah, so that is so dope, super cool. Let's see what else we can do. I'm going to see if I can do something with True Crime Streets of LA. I feel like we can get a prompt to promote it, the game or something. Let's see what that does. I just control shifted here, so I have it copied. So let's do a video ad. Oh, a e-commerce design. Yeah, let's see what that is. Images. True crime, a true crime. All right, so now that we did that, we're gonna do Amazon target audience. Let's see, product name, true crime streets of LA. All right, AI match custom. All right, let's do it. Generate. All right, it is finished here. I'm gonna click on it. All right, this is picture one for like Amazon. Okay. Wow. Expansive open world, intense action game, PC exclusive multiplayer. Wow, this is how they do it. This is exactly how they do it. Wow. Wow, LA is yours. The back is not right. That is not how it looks. Wow, this is like modernized. This is crazy. Master the mean streets. Wow. This is dope. Okay. Yeah, this is PC exclusive multiplayer. That is insane. Is that what it originally says? Yeah. Wow. And PC, there's multiplayer? Who would have thought, who would have knew that? But this was Amazon. So yeah, this is how you do it. You put a product, you make a product, and you tell it to go on here. But I'm running down my credits. Dang. Okay. Excuse me. This is pretty good. So now I'm going to generate it. I put a auto prompt here. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to change it to 2.5 where the variant can go to 30 seconds. And we're going to do 16:9 and I'm going to generate. And yeah, let's see what happens here. All right, so the video has finished. All right, let's see how it looks.
You know what? True Crime Streets of L is the best game in the world. It's better than Saints Road. It's better than GTA 6 before it even comes out. And don't even get me started on Gangsta Brawl.
Oh my goodness. That is wild. What?
You know what? True Crime Streets of L is the best game in the world. It's better than Saints Row. It's better than GTA 6 before it even comes out.
Yo.
And don't even get me started on Gangsta Brawl.
This is awesome. Yeah. This is great. This is 10 out of 10. All right. I'm convinced. I'm convinced. I'm going to save this and send this to a couple of people. This is hilarious. All right. I'm convinced. If you have not been convinced by Nextify.AI, please definitely check this out. Shouts out to the team for letting me check this out. Definitely make an account. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And remember, you are going to get 20 to 50 credits for free once you sign up an account. So make sure you sign up the account. I'm going to put my affiliate link at the bottom too. Definitely check this out. Let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other questions, let me know. Peace.